Welcome back. We are now ready to begin giving individual dates for each and every one of the tasks. So what we're going to do is go through each and every individual task, and then we're going to assign a due date. This will give us an idea of where we are on our project. Now again, you'll be using this primarily as a template. So if you find that this is not going to work, you may want to go back and either save your other template or to adjust it when you figure out something is working better. So we're going to go through each and every one of these dates. So we're going to click Edit in this case. We're going to give this a due date. And we're going to give it a due date of one particular day. And then we're going to click Save Changes. And basically what we're going to do in every case is we're going to do the same thing. We're going to then assign each and every one of these tasks a particular date. Now what we want to do is we want to try to group our days together so that if a particular set of tasks needs to be done after one set of tasks, you want to group those things on a particular calendar. So we're going to go through this process, and most of this task we're going to do off camera. So once we have all of our dates in our calendar, what we can do is we can click the calendar, and then we'll see how our project is going to be laid out. And so when we look at our project visually, what we can do is we can drag some of the items into days where there are fewer items. So we can drag and drop some of these items in different days to distribute them more evenly. Once we have everything that we need in terms of the way the project is going to be laid out, we're then ready to begin assigning team members to the actual content. Now individually, you may want to look at this project versus all of the other projects that you have to do. And so you can do that by coding in those calendars. So if you click on these other calendars, you'll see when you have items that are going on the same day, and whether or not they're going to interfere with this project. And once again, if you just want to use that project and look at it, you can untick all of the other projects so that all you'll see is the project that you are working on. So now we are ready to begin assigning people to these actual tasks associated with these days. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.